So I know some of you have been wondering whether I had any performance upgrades or anything done to the engine. And the most simplest answer I can give you is to just stick to the end of the video and watch the whole thing so you can know and find out whether I have anything to make my car faster. What's going on YouTube? You know, it's your boy 40p back at it again with another video, man. So today I'm gonna be doing my 0 to 60 today, and I'm gonna do it in the different modes. Right now I'm gonna do it in regular drive with eco mode on. I'm gonna do it in drive without eco mode, and then I'm gonna do it in sport mode with eco on, and then I'm gonna do it in sport mode without eco on, and we're gonna see if it makes a difference in drive and eco mode. This is what I got right here in regular drive with eco mode on. 5.20 to 60, 14.1 quarter mile at 101. Now we're gonna put the car in sport with eco mode on. No paddle shifters. Alright, so you can see that was in sport mode with eco mode on, no paddle shifters. I got a 5.395, 14.3 quarter mile at 81. Excuse that because I am slowing down because the road isn't that long, so that's why the track speed is so slow. So now we're gonna keep it in sport, turn eco mode off, and we're gonna use the paddle shifters. So this one was in sport mode with the paddle shifters and no eco mode on. As you can see, I got a 5.4, I ran a 14.2 at 101. Put it in sport, paddle shifters, traction control off. We're gonna start this. So that run was a 13.8 at 103. 5.2, 0 to 60. Now I'm pretty close to sea level, so I think that's why my times are like very good. But whew, just imagine when I get some new tires or some better and grippier tires, man. This gonna be crazy, bro. I didn't get to do every mode. I did drive with Econ on, and I did what else did I do? I did sport with Econ on, then I did sport with Econ off and traction control off, and then I also did sport without the paddle shifters. And I mean, it pretty much looked the same. You know, I was getting like 5.3s, 5.4s, 5.2. I think I got a 5.2 second 0 to 60 as well. That 13.1, if I'm running a 13.1, that's pretty good. I might also purchase this draggy meter. That might give me a little bit more confirmation. So I just want to show y'all what I did to the car. So this part where it angles at on the door, I wrapped it with some matte black vivid vinyl wrap, and I used some knifeless tape along the top part of this of the door. Well, not the top part of the door, but the top part of this line. I just wrapped that little bottom piece on the door. I feel like this kind of like set it off. I might get rid of that chrome trim and then like the chrome door handle, just to take some of that chrome away again. But yeah, look at that, bro. Like that really set it off. Like sweet. That's one thing I like about having a white car, just for the simple fact that you can do certain things to like make it stand out. Because if I had like a black car, I wouldn't be able to do half this stuff. Like this right here, I wouldn't be able to do that. Or this. I need to fix this though. This junk came off. So if you watched the whole video, you seen my times and everything like that. And if you watched the beginning, you seen that I said stick to the end and you will find out whether I have any performance upgrades. So here we are, right here. You're looking at the engine bay. And as you can see, there's no intake. There's my stock intake box. I'm gonna take this engine cover off and show y'all. So as you can see right there, that's the regular 3.5 intake manifold. No upgraded throttle body. I got my regular cats in there. If you can't see it, I'm gonna shine a light down there. As you can see, I got my stock cats right there. I can't show you the other side, but I mean, it's pretty obvious. So there's no engine upgrades or anything under here. No intake, manifold, spacer, nothing. But the times that I'm running are pretty much close to stock. We could take the temperature outside into account. I mean, cold weather do kind of play a factor in performance. So that could be one thing, but also this car, when it was tested back in 2013, it was rated at a mid 5 second 0 to 60. So I'm getting like 5.2s or 5.3s, which is pretty much no difference from a 5.5 or 5.6 or 5.4 or whatever. The quarter miles, I'm pretty much getting stock quarter mile times, which ranges from like 13.8 to 14.1s, you know. And as you can see, I get slow trap speeds from 98, and then I get fast trap speeds, which my fastest was 103. My fastest quarter mile was at 13.1. I have 245s on the fronts, or 245s all around. So I mean, that could make a bit of a difference, but then again, like I said, it's pretty much running stock times. Those are the stock tires right there. Those are 235s. And what I have on the car right now, 245s. If this answers anybody's questions or anybody's doubts of what's going on with my car, man, here it is. I just told you, no performance mods, just upgraded tires. At the same time, the car is pretty much running close to stock times. And yeah, man, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions, hit me up. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram will be down in the link below. Matter of fact, I'm gonna drop it down on the video so you can see it on the screen. _Vaughn, that's Vaughn with 4 N's, everything lowercase. We got 1.1K right now. Next goal is 2,000, man. Let's get there. It's your boy 40p, and I'm out.